Now I will solve this Python problem. In this challenge, the user enters a string and substring. You have to print the number of times that the substring occurs in the given string. String traversal will take place from left to right, not from right to left. So we are given this string and substring. We need to find how many times this substring is in the string. So first I will write count equals to 0, and then whatever the substring I found, I will count. I will increase this number. First I will apply the for loop. So for I in range, I will take length of the string minus length of the substring plus 1. Then if condition, if string equals to substring, then count equals to count plus 1. So it will increase this value from 0 to 1. Then return count. So here I just have to write this logic. If string equals to substring means if I plus length of substring. So I equals to I plus length of substring equals to substring, then increase the value in the count and return the count. Oh, it's showing indentation error. I think I need to refresh it again. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, that's it.